Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing? Today is Tuesday, January 29th. I just spotted something. I wasn't going to film this today, but because I'm doing something else. But let's pull in here. This is the showgrounds for the Big Tent. Right here in Central, 700 South Central. The RV dealer right there on the right, he is pulling out big time too. They're moving RVs. I seen a bunch of them go out earlier. I was over at Tyson Wells and I spotted, and I'm going to show you as soon as we go around the corner here. Look, there's a nice looking Airstream there. Look at the top. They're lowering the big tent right now. They're lowering the tarps. If you've never seen it, it's all done by ropes. So I'm going to try to get it on film here real quick. Let me pull up here. If you look real closely, you're going to see the top of that thing start go down. There's like about 6-7 guys under there with ropes. There it goes, right there in the corner. See it? Okay, let me drive around. I mean, this thing is so massive. Look at the parking lot. How many of you guys were here parked and fighting the crowds? You know, this thing only closed 3 o'clock Sunday. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. Really wasn't planning on filming this one, but why not? We're here. Let me pull on in. Hopefully there ain't nothing sharp I can drive over. There's a straggler vendor getting out of here. A couple of them. That's a big fifth wheel. Those guys are loading up. Look at all the pipe laying on the ground. So let me pull up here. I'll turn around and I'll get out and we'll film this thing. Grab a camera real quick. Check it out. They're lowering it. Look how massive that is. You know, I filmed all this 2 years ago. There's Robert, the owner. That's the actual owner right there of the big tent. Good guy. Real good guy. He employs a lot of people. Look at it come down. It's like a big old balloon. Huh? These panels are massive. They tie them together. There's heavy cords and ropes that tie them all together. That's how they lower it. All with ropes. Everything's done with ropes. Isn't that amazing? See all the sandbags on the ground there? That just holds down the sides and will keep rainwater out in heavy rains. Then the wood sides there too. But look at it, you can see it dropping. And they just walk it right down. Isn't that cool? Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, this company, it's called Pacific Tent. They're out of LA. And two seasons ago, I actually did several videos of them putting it up and taking it down. For Pacific, not for the Big Tent. It was actually for Pacific, for their website. I have videos on their websites, and I got to meet all their crew. They drive in out of LA. Good guys, work hard. They actually store all these tarps. I call them tarps. They're actually canvas. In Los Angeles, they leave most of the big long pipes that are left here year round. And a lot of the anchors on the ground, they leave right here on the property year round because it's too much trouble to haul them. But they do take the canvas and they keep that in a big warehouse back in Los Angeles. So I'm gonna go back to doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna run over to Tyson Wells. I'm gonna launch a drone real quick. We'll get a shot of this, and then I'll do one later on today. Look at the clouds. They're predicting not super heavy rains, but 20-30% or pretty much all week long. Tomorrow I gotta go to Phoenix, so I'll be gone in the morning. Hopefully I'll make it back early afternoon tomorrow. Once again, this is Tuesday, January 29th. You can see there's still a few rigs over there at Rice Ranch. That's Rice Ranch directly across. Alright, we'll go to Tyson. But they're pulling rigs out there on the left. You see them with the dealer plates. I don't know where they're going. They gotta have other shows. I think there's one up at Blue Water Casino. Probably down in Phoenix. And who knows where else. I think Vegas even has some. Alright, there's Tyson Wells Showgrounds. Okay, I'm gonna pull way in the back in the parking lot of the storage area. We'll throw the drone up real quick. Quite a few of the vendors. They leave their trailers here year round. They store their tents and their tables. Some of these guys just come here for the big show or 2 or 3 at Tyson Wells shows. It all varies, but they'll store these old semi-trailers. They make great storage. And on the left there, that's the RV dealer where they prep their rigs, clean them and polish them. This is kind of behind the scenes here. People don't come back here much. Okay, let me get turned around, get the drone out, we'll get her up in the air. See how they're doing over there. They go fast too when they take down them tents. It's amazing. Okay, up we go. All right, let's see what they've done. Yep. Look at them. It's on the ground. They're starting to fold it up already. They move quick. But see them tall poles with the flags on them? That's the ones they leave here. Right below, you see that orange fence down below? They pile them down there. And also all the ground anchors. They'll pull them out. And they will leave those too. And then they haul the rest away. The tent, all the small tents belong to them. Anything with the striped roof belongs to the Pacific tent. Yeah, you can definitely see the clouds coming in for the rain. Then check out Tyson. He's getting his RV parked back. They're parking rigs. It's really cheap to stay here. It's full hookup. There's no showers or restrooms. You gotta use your own and your rig, but it's only like $175 a month, and you pay your electric. Real cheap to stay here. Okay, here's what I gotta do. I need to go finish what I started earlier. I wasn't planning on filming this. And then I'm gonna come back in a few hours and I'll launch a drone one more time. And we'll check out to see what it looks like. We'll go for about, no, it's about 10. We'll go for about 3 o'clock. I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. It's about 48 hours since they closed the big tent. It's about 3 in the afternoon. Look at it. It's gone. No more big tent, long gone. They just got their little one. See that semi down there? That's what they're loading all the tarps in. That one semi will haul away that whole tent. It's gone. All those white poles, looks like goal posts, those stay up year round. And then the King Productions, they handle their own carpeting, so they pull their own carpet, but they're waiting for the tent guys to get done. Then they roll up the carpeting and they store it back in those storage sheds. That's it. Done deal. Last look over here. Don't forget Friday, Arts and Crafts Show starts. Vendors are setting up right now. That whole end up there by those metal buildings, that'll be just full of vendors, seasonal guys, prospectors still open, plenty to do and see. Come on down and shop. And there's your very last look for the 2019 season of what used to be the Big Tent. Sayonara. Okay, it's time to go. Tomorrow I go to Phoenix in the morning. Hopefully I can make it back by early afternoon. And the video about the powwow and also the Gold Detector Club is coming up next. Should have them out. If it's not Wednesday, they'll be out Thursday, because I'll have to get this one out too. I'm running way behind. Like I said, I really wasn't planning on filming this, but couldn't resist it when they were dropping that big tarp. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, everyone. Travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.